Hi everybody. Today we're going to have a look at the decimal board, and if you haven't seen it before, this is the Montessori Decimal Board. Today I wanted to talk to you firstly about the powers of numbers, which we looked at last week. So on the decimal board you'll see that this is our unit, and if we go to the left of the unit, we're going to see the powers of numbers. So if we multiply our unit by 10, we get 10. And if we multiply 10 by 10, we're going to get 100, which is 10 to the power of 2. And if we multiply the 100 by 10, we're going to get 1,000, which is 10 to the power of 3. And if we multiply the 1,000 by 10, we're going to get 10,000, which is 10 to the power of 4. And if we multiply 10,000 by 10, we're going to get 100,000, which is 10 to the power of 5, and if we multiply that again by 10, we're going to get 1 million of 10 to the power of 6. Today we're also going to look at what happens if we divide our unit. So instead of multiplying by 10, if we go to the right of our unit, we're going to divide by 10. So we're going to take our unit and cut it into 10 little pieces. So if we divide that, we get 1/10. So let's have a look as a fraction, or a tenth, or as a fraction, a 1/10. And if we take 1/10 and we divide that into another 10 pieces, we get 1/100th. And if we take our 1/100th and we divide that into another 10 pieces, we get 1,000th. And if we take our 1,000th and divide that into another 10 pieces, we get 1/10,000th. And if we take that and divide it by another 10, we get 100,000th. And then if we take our 100,000th and divide that by 10, we get 1,000,000th. You can imagine how tiny that would be. So perhaps you could go and have a look at the decimal board online. This is Pocket Montessori Decimal Board that you can have a play with. And also there's one in the downloads if you prefer a printed version as well.